Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Adobe InDesign on your computer. So for downloading it, press one window key and then here you can see Microsoft is showing. So if it not showing, search here for Microsoft Store. Now open it. So now inside the Microsoft Store on the search bar, search here for Adobe InDesign. So here you can see I have searched for it. Now just wait. So here you can see there is no Adobe InDesign is showing, but here is Adobe Creative Cloud. So now click on it. So now as I have already installed this is showing as open, but in your case you have to first install this. Now click on open. So here you can see this is the interface of Creative Cloud. But when you first install this, you have to first create your account into it. So after creating account and logging in, this screen will show. Now go to apps and now scroll down. So here you can see InDesign is showing. So now click on it. So this is how you can download Adobe InDesign on your computer officially. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.